This one is a basic setup of the HTML, like this one HTML head, and here we added the two files, which one like a CSS basic and this style sheet we can perform. And basic of the one of the adding the div container. Inside the div container added three another div: home, product and above. And let's see, this one is a basic type of a CSS. For that, let's see the output. We open with live server. Let's see, this one is a basic setup. Now we perform all the this operation. Now first of all, this is our container. Let's go on the our style sheet. Now display flags. Now what changes is happen like this when we turn off. Let's see, like this. And when we off the comment, now display flags make the all the content in this container in the row wise. And there is a one of the option to change for this row and column is flags direction to make a change the column. When we give by default flag direction in the row, but now I want give this in column, then it will be changed. If I want change this in the form of a row, then see the all the item will be in the row wise. Change in the column, then all the item in the column wise. One column, two column, three column, one by one, like that. If we off this, let's see dis display flags by default is row wise. See, when we this uncomment, now this one we change. This is a change the axis which I work on. This one is a main axis and this one is a cross axis. Let's see one of the another justify content. Justify content axis work on the main axis. This one is a main axis. Let's see what can justify content do. First of all, we turn off the flag direction. See this. Now justify content, there is a multiple value like a in, center, around, like that. We want to all the content in the center, we can center. We make all the content in the right side. This one all in the right side. This justify content has a value like a I have start or center, right, or you can give the start like a flex start, or you can give center is already center and flex end. These are value you can use it. And it's just space between space around, and last one is space evenly. Let's check one by one. Like start and this right one, start and flex start both are same. You can check it. Let's check. When we put this start, now see this content all in the starting position. When we put flex start, that also do same things. See, when we change and look it, these are both. And flex end and right both are same. When we do right, see the content all goes on the right side. When we do flex end, these are go in the, see both are work are same. Now let's see one by one. This one is a flex, this space between, space between. What can do, it create a space between the this item like a after the home space and product. In two direction, create a space. Let's see. When we copy this space between and put here, yeah, something is okay. E is remove E. Now see, created the space in the between two item, created the space between, and you can check it space around. It created the space all direction, like this these are created item, like home this home item have this much space, this much equal amount of a left and right side, created the space around, and space evenly created the, let's see why I can tell. See, he created the space evenly created the space here in the left and right side, created approximately equal spaces everywhere. See, left, right, middle and right, space evenly created equal space everywhere, and space around created the space state space around, create a space left and right side less, in between more, like that. Now let's do go on the next, which is a alignment item. Now see, just off this. Yeah, now I want to give the alignment item anything. Now alignment item is work on the cross axis in the like this cross axis, which are by default in the vertical section, this one. Now this alignment item I have a multiple value, like this one as just like justify content also, but it not have a this space between, space around and space evenly. It had a flex start, flex end, and like scratch, feeling this one mistake, this one scratch stretch. Let's, by default value is a alignment item is scratch. Now see like that, this one coming. If we give the alignment item start, flex start, now see all the item come in the starting position. Alignment item, no, it work on the cross axis. Now give the alignment item center. Now see all the item in the center. If we give the alignment item flex end, now see all the item in the inside, like that. And you can do one thing, you can work on the both justify content and flex end, like that. See all the item is space around and flex in the right left side. Let's see it in center. We do with the help of a this flex item center. Now see all the item in the center. If you want to all the item in the starting position, now you can give this flex in start. See all the item in the starting position, or you can give one by one item each, like that. Here in the index.html page we give the class name home, product and about us. Let's copy this home, come in the section. Let's see, if you want to this home item in center, then you can give the alignment item self center. Now see home in the center. If you want to this home item in the bottom side, then you can give the flex end. Now see this home item in the end section. This product section you want to in the center. For that, let's go on, copy this, come in the is and paste and give the alignment itself is a center. Now see item is a in center, like that. You can create it, you can change anything. We have give the some question to solve it, some problem. You can do it. After that I can do it. Display on your screen. Let's see it. Our first challenge is like that, all the item in the corner section. For that, let's say this, uncomment this, comment this, and see. Now see, our item is like that. I want to, this one is the start position, this one is like a stretch, and this one is a like a stretch. Now see, this one is like a by default. Now I want to all the item in the right side in the top section. For that, first of all, we want to give the alignment item. First we work on the cross axis. Cross axis, for that, all the item in the top section. For that, alignment item, give flags start. See, all the item come from the top section. Now I want to all the item in this side. For that, the main axis work or justify content. Let's see justify content. We can give the justify content is flags int. Now see, our first challenge is now completed. Now go on second challenge. Let's end it. Now see, our second challenge is all the item are in the center. For that, we can write just like center and center. See, all the item is center. I display you. See, first of all, justify content, give the all the item in the center. Now alignment item, which work on the cross axis, give the alignment all the item in the center. Now this one our second challenge. Now go on the third challenge, change it. Now our third challenge is all the item in the bottom side corner right here. Now for that let's see, our cross axis for alignment item give the flags bottom, matlab flags end. Now give the flags end. All the item are come in this side. Now justify content work on this horizontal main axis. For that, I want to all the item in this side. For that, give the justify content flags end. Now see, all the item are coming. Now our third challenge is completed. Now we want to see the changing the cross axis and main axis. Here also justify flex direction can change the main axis and cross axis, like that. Let's see this. Default, this one is a main axis in the horizontal and this one is a cross axis. When we give the justify flex direction column, it change the main axis and cross axis. Now see, main axis is this and cross axis is this. Now this justify content is work on the main axis. Now see, this one is a main axis. Now see, all the justify content now work like we give the flags start. Now see, all the item in the top section. Now if I give the center, see, all the item are in the center. If we give the flags end, see, all the item in the bottom section. And main axis alignment item is work on the cross axis. For cross axis, now this one is a horizontal is a now cross axis. Let's see this, comment this, uncomment this. Now see this one, first of all I give the flag start. Now see all the item in the this section. Now in the from the starting position, now I give the alignment item center. Now see all the item in the center. Now give alignment item end. All the item are coming in this side. This one flag direction, what can do, flag direction change the main axis and cross axis. Now next do, now we don't want to give this width and height, it will be automatically adjust according to this parent container. For that, here we want to give the one of the, see here HTML structure, container is a parent and this home, product and about, these are its child. For that, here we can do one thing, container and div. For that, come here and give container and all the div tag automatically take its width, do not take by anything. For that, we give the flex 1, it will be automatically take width according to the its parent. Now see its width automatically change. If we inspect and give this, see when we shrink this automatically reduce its width. When we grow this, its automatically width is growing. Now let's see one by one. For that, flags by default, flags grow 0, flag shrink 0 and flag basis is 0. These are one by one. I can expand these flags like that, flags 1 and basis is 0, like that also. Refresh, yeah, inspect, and now see like that, both are working. Now I want to give the one of the element has double of the another element. For that, let's copy this. I have already given the class name. Let's copy this home and here let's do all the item. And last is about. Now I want to this one, first of all give the same all to there, flex 1 and flex 1. See all the item are equal, but I want to give more height this home one from other one. For that, we give the home item, give the flex 2. Now see, now it's home, this home item, it's a double height of this 2 one. If I want to give the more height than product, for that we give this 1 and this one is 2. Increment. Now see this home one is less, this product will mean. Actually what can do flex can divide the percentage. Now see this is a 3 element, 3 types of 3 type. Now see this one is a 25%, this one is 50% and this one is a 25%. Flex can divide the according to the number. We have given this 4 number 1 2 and 1. This added is equal to 4. Now 100% divided by 4, it will be 25. One item I have 25% its width according to its parent. For that, here we can give the flex 1. This width is approximately 25% of its parent. Here we give the flex 2. Here is the approximately 50% of its parent, and about section is a 25% width of its parents. Now we can see another section. Now here we have cleaned all the unnecessary code which are not required. Now order. Here see, we can order this like a, we want to this about section in the first and this home section in the last. We can do with the help of a this Flexbox ordering order. I want to this home section in the from the starting position. For that, I go on the home and give the order -1. Here order we can give the 1 and -1 and 1 2 3 4 according to the items number. Now we give the about section order -1. -1 instance before the 1. For that, about section is come in the starting position. Now let's comment this, and now I want to this home section in last of all the item. For that, we also give the order 1. Now see, home section is come from the last section. Also you can give the order like that. This one is approx 2, and this order is like 1, and this order is 3. Now see, this one not a -3 3. Now see, order is a product order is 1, first priority, home is a second priority, and about us. Let's see one by one after the adding. Now we can add the 2 more item. Let's copy this, or 6 item. Only I want to change the name like that. Now see, here approximately 6 item. Now I want to order this all this element. For that, let's say first of all which we do, let's change this all the order. Now see, what's the output? 1 2 3 and home 1, product 1 and 3. Now I want to this product 2 in the first direction. For that, you can do it, you can just give the class name product 2, copy this and come in the CSS, paste. Yeah, I was copy here and paste here and give the product 2 and give the order -1. Now see, yeah, some here class name is difference. Okay, we cannot give the product 2, copy this. Yeah, see, now product 2 is come in the priority of that first. Thank you for watching. This is a Flexbox. If there is any confusion or any suggestion, then give me.